People don't always clean their cups and bottles on time. Germs and stains are growing fast. Your old bottle brushes can be harmful for your health. Introducing the Goodpapa N10, an innovative bottle brush for your everyday cleaning needs. The soft and gentle silicone brush head is BPA-free and easy to assemble with magnetic technology. Anti-leak dish soap tank, electric one-key spray. Start with one key and clean on the go. IPX6 waterproof, clean with confidence. Contact charging, 4-hour battery life with one charge. UVC sterilization, up to 99.9% efficiency within 3 minutes. Compact size, easy to pack for travel. Goodpapa, the smart cleaning expert.